Welcome back to the VIEZU workshop. I'm James, and today on our dyno we've got this Jaguar XJ that's come in for a 650 conversion. So let's get it strapped down and find out what it's running. So after that first run, we found that this Jaguar is running 578 brake horsepower and 783 Newton meters of torque, but the 650 conversion is yet to be done. And with that, you're going to get new upper and lower crank pulleys, you're going to get new exhaust, new air filters, new remap. This is going to be a very serious Jaguar. So let's hand it over to the experts. Let's find out what happens. So all the work has been completed and we've just strapped it back down to the dyno, ready for its second run. So let's find out what all the work has added up to. So on that last run, the XJ was spinning its wheels all the way through that last test, even with some ballast over the driven wheels, but we were able to test it with 950 Newton meters of torque and over 640 brake horsepower. But by our reckoning, if the wheels weren't slipping with stickier tyres, this should be running over 1,000 Newton meters of torque and well over 650 brake horsepower. That is a serious Jaguar. And if you'd like a 650 conversion for your Jaguar, give us a call on 01789 774444 or email us at info@viezu.com.